Hello everybody, Mind of Terror here. We are opening a bunch of surprise stuff, and we are doing a collab with my mother. How did that even possible?
Hi, we're here. We're gonna solve today's curiosities.
Apparently.
So we tried to make this video already. Technical difficulties. So now we're doing it again.
And Wi-Fi difficulties.
So, let's see. You want to open that one first?
Yeah, let's open up this first, I guess.
Alright, so these here are called
Pick-me Pops.
Pick-me Pops. Where's the paper for it? A Pick-me Pop. You open it up. It's pretty simple to open, and it comes with this. Blech.
Very disturbing, but also slightly satisfying.
All at the same time. And if it gets dirty, easy enough. Just pull off the cover and you throw it in the wash.
Pull off the cover, surgery simulator style, and just yeet it out.
You can replace the ball that way as well. And we have two of them.
Yes, this one's a wolf of some kind. I don't remember what it's called.
Hey Corey, what time of year do wolves like best?
Let's think of this. I don't know, what are they?
Holidays.
That was a horrible pun. I also should say the name of the wolf here. Fripp.
And we got the one for the birds.
I don't remember the bird's name. The bird's name is Waka.
We got this dirty, so we have to shove it in and out so many times. Okay.
You can just pull it out of the mouth.
Just showing the,
So we also have this one here, you know. Little Bot Transformers. Season 5, apparently. Little simple doodles here. You open up the package, the green part right here has no back, so... And then you just open up this, and you see this little guy here.
He's a lawnmower.
He's a lawnmower, yeah. But then you open up his sides. And
He's a little man.
Yard guard. Apparently.
Okay.
Okay, now for...
This one.
I don't remember what it's called. Oh.
It is called...
Candy Locks.
Candy Locks.
Which sounds kind of retarded.
It's a little hard to open, so you might need your parents' help to open it up.
Yeah, it's only easy to open now because it kind of looks like a freaking hazardous waste bag. But let's open this up here. Got a bunch of hair and a little
pineapple
coon hippo
we have a little
thing.
Pineapple with long hair. Ooh,
Long hair. It's Rapunzel.
And
we also have a watermelon stick.
Teach your kids how to braid.
Yeah, apparently these are how to teach your kids how to braid. It even comes with instructions, some IKEA instructions apparently.
Hold the pineapple, please.
I will hold the pineapple.
Thank you. Now can I have the
IKEA instructions?
Oh, yes.
Oh, the watermelon stick.
Oh, well, I was hoping I would hold his hair, but...
Oh, I think that's just a stick. It's just a stick. A little candy.
Okay,
stuff.
that was fun.
Also, the inside has a little pillow, so it kind of looks like a half a Pokeball.
Alright, let's put him back in.
I choose you.
Let's put him back in his watermelon ball.
Okay, since we're going with circular things here, let's go with this 5 surprise. These seem to
always
be
fun
popular.
to open.
Yes. Ow. This actually hurts. It's chipping my nail. This could have done worse. A little bit easier to open. Not as hard as the Candy Locks, but not too easy. Not as easy as the Bots or the
These guys.
Those guys, yeah.
Which we still have not figured out how we pronounce them properly. Peaky Pops.
Yeah, no, that's hard to pronounce. It's not exactly something you just say on a daily basis, you know. Come on, wow.
They're serrations for a reason.
Serrated. Perforations. There's a difference between perforation and serration.
Comes out looking like this. Then you just grab this and peel it out.
And now we've got an orange.
Then you take these here and you open it up. And the first thing we got was a little bow.
Little hair clamp here. Bracelets. Ow. Don't put that on. No! You can give these to BMO.
Those are hair bands.
More hair stuff. Little, I don't know, things you put in your hair.
How'd they know I was hungry? Yum. I don't even honestly know what it's for.
I think it's just a little. Whoa! It's a hard drive.
It's a marker.
Oh.
Heck yeah.
It's a hard drive.
It's a
dry marker. It's a very dry marker.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open this last pack. Little pocket here if you don't mind.
This is the last packet.
Butterfly ring with a finger hole that's too small for even Tinkerbell.
It's super cute though.
Yeah, it is cute.
Okay, a little ice cream.
A little
That's
ice
cute.
cream charm.
That's mine.
Oh, of course it is. These are BMOs.
That's cute.
Alright, let's go with the
And then that's it.
least violent pack first. Trash pack. The trash pack. Seeing a lot of slime here. Very easy to open. In fact, you just take the little trash cans out of their plastic casing. You can take some if you want.
What is going on?
Oh, there's the trash can opening.
Okay, it's
A little trash can. I got
interesting.
something.
And you pop them in their little trash cans and close the
I
lid.
got another trash can here. I think there's a couple more. Yeah, there's 2 more trash cans. Any you want to open these last 2 trash cans?
No, go ahead, sweetie. And show the people.
Oh, what
Thank
the?
you for asking.
What was that? Looks like something out of Minecraft,
Little
yo.
critters when you guys are done.
Okay.
Little Minecraft.
Yeah, we'll
critters.
definitely bring them over there so you can see them.
Yeah, after you guys are done with your video.
Oh.
Hopefully this one don't cut.
Oh, weird.
Oh, cute. What is that?
I don't know.
It's a skateboard.
Putting these back in their little trash.
It is a little skateboard.
They all come with individual trash cans, so the sense of storage is not very useful. But, oh, there's a guide. Oh, those are always fun.
I like it.
I like them too. They're a little weird. Oh, that's a lot.
Look at that, easy to stack up, see? Stack
Okay,
the
so
little
we have 5 categories here. We have limited edition, we have the grubs, hard rubbish, bin
Oh, the
sex,
cat can have
food
it.
of the world, trash toys. Oh, there's a 6th one. Beach trash.
That, which we need to read.
This looks like a periodic
It is.
table of the elements. Okay, so we got gross goulash.
Some of them kind of ended up on the floor.
Yeah, we got the dumped dryer. Oof. Let's see here. What else?
We don't know how much room we got more.
Yeah, I don't. Okay, let's open a little more violent. Dragamons. Very cartoony, but it going Ouroboros style. Somebody's biting their own tail.
You open the last one.
Ass.
I'm sitting on it. And I'm sitting next to it.
The Dragomons. There are 70 dragons, apparently. I don't know how many cards there are.
How the hell did you get it? Nice question. Oh,
Oh.
I found it. Okay.
Violent opening, violent creatures. Rough nut and tough nut.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. Okay.
You get a couple of things.
We got a couple of things. We got this little Dragomons thing. I don't know
Take over mine.
exactly what.
We have some battle cards here.
Oh! Oh, this is a card guide. How to play. Okay.
I don't know if I should be worried.
Oh, that's a lot. It's like 30 minutes of text. Another card guide.
Okay. Then we have
Let's take an egg apiece.
some eggs.
Yeah. I want the bottom purple one right here. Alright, there we go. Well, that's...
A little harder to open.
Ow. Oh, are you kidding me?
We should have probably read the instructions. I think I broke it. Oh no. I broke it.
You broke it!
Oh, I'm sorry. I think we're supposed to break it, actually.
Oh, you are?
I don't know. What?
Oh, you are supposed to break it.
I got this little guy.
Okay, you're supposed to break open the egg, apparently.
Very choke hazard.
Very, very, very emphasis on the very. You actually have to break
that's
open the egg.
That's
So
a choke hazard.
get that out of here. Little egg. This little guy came
It
out.
hatched.
Show me your dragon, or did you
I
already
did.
do that? Alright. I got a rat. Of course I would get a rat, you know.
Maybe we should have read the instructions on how to open the eggs.
There was no instructions, just how to read the cards, or do the cards, or whatever. Cards. The cards. Just take 3.
Why is there more than one?
One's in Spanish, one's in English, I guess?
Yeah. Okay. Well, one's in Spanish, and the other one's in English.
Actually, I think that might be
It's always
French, it might
helpful.
not be Spanish.
Oh, that one's so cool.
That's my favorite by far. Nice.
Nice.
It's mysterious as the dark side of the moon, you know?
Alright, now we got some cards here. I don't know if we should touch them with our bare hands, so
Let's take a pack each.
let's try touching them on the edge of this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Try to touch them on the edge. Very, again, hazardous waste. Bag. Style.
Okay.
Okay, I don't think they're any kind of shiny specialty.
No, I'm not talking about shiny, but
Oh, whoa.
we don't know how many of these they
Okay,
sell.
there's some kind of number thing.
Nice, so you get
Oh, there's the one we got in the egg. One of them anyway. Shadow Fang. Look, guy. Okay. Power 30, defense
cards are
30.
pretty simple, cartoony.
Azakai
Definitely
the
will keep the
Mystic.
interest of the kids.
Very.
Oh, wow. That was nice.
This one's just entitled Dex. With a power level of 20
I am
and a defense
angry.
level of 30.
I'm angry. I'm not gonna.
And then we got instructions on how to install the app, which, you know,
Put those cards in here, dude.
typical app stuff.
I can't get them in the hole.
Sounds like a personal problem.
It is. Because I can't get it in there. Okay. So,
Family friendly here, yeah.
definitely a choking hazard, but still fun.
Not really. Yeah, not really too good here. Alright.
So next we have
Break the chain! WWE Beast Mode. Classic. I don't get where the E is. I just
Okay,
see
so
2
apparently-
W's.
Apparently, you grab right here and you pull.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's interesting.
I like smashing the yaks.
Remove the beast. Oh, that's fun.
Let's remove